Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to customize notification halo light patterns on Ulefone Armor 21. So first go into the settings, then find Infinite Halo. Now enable notification halo and notification halo mode. Right here you can change the color, the incoming call halo mode, lips or ramble. Then go back and we have notification halo mode, brief or heartbeat, and charging halo mode right here, sports or flicker. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.